Moss. I'm the commander at Charlie Troop, 2nd Squadron, 17th Cavalry Regiment. We're with the 101st Combat Aviation Brigade out of Fort Campbell, Kentucky. We're part of the 101st Airborne Division Air Assault, Screaming Eagles. This is an AH-64 Echo Model Guardian Apache helicopter. This is one of the latest and greatest Apaches that are in service today. It's the premier air-to-ground vehicle for close air support for our ground forces. Today we're going to be flying with the AH-1F model Cobra. So you see the 1st generation attack helicopter and the 2nd generation attack helicopter flying in unison, and kind of see the lineage of attack aviation in flight today here at the Dayton Air Show.